Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can auto-delete or set your cache folder on auto-delete in Adobe Bridge in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So let's assume, guys, you would like to make Adobe Bridge on your desktop computer. Clear the cache folder, let's say every, I don't know, week, 30 days, 90 days, and so on and so forth. You can do this via your account settings by clicking into Edit in the top left, by selecting Preferences here. And what you want to do next is navigate to the media cache tab here to the left, and here under Options, switch from Do Not Delete Cache Files Automatically to one of these options. And after that, click into OK here and set the length, for example, after 90 days, 30 days, or you may go, for example, with a maximum folder size. For example, if the cache folder or files exceeds a folder size of, I don't know, 95 gigabyte or so, I don't know, you can set a custom GB here. Click into OK here at the bottom, and that is going to apply the automatic deletion for the cache folder on your device. That's how it works via Adobe Bridge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.